Let me ask you this. How many years have you promised yourself that this would be the year you finally get your money right? And how many times has that resolution faded by February? You see, wealth doesn't happen by accident. It's built one small intentional step at a time. And if you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'm going to hand you a 12-step checklist, one simple practical action for each month of 2026 that can completely change the way you handle your money. No guesswork, no overwhelm, just a clear roadmap to follow. Imagine yourself a year from now, debt-free, saving consistently, investing wisely, and sleeping better at night because your finances are finally under control. That's what this checklist can do for you. Hey lovely people, welcome back to Money Lessons with Debbie. On this channel we talk about personal finance and we break down money matters that affect our everyday life. If you're new here, I'm all about helping you budget, build wealth, and living a legacy without the stress and confusion that money often brings. And today I'm breaking down the 2026 financial checklist. If you're ready to stop wishing for financial freedom and actually start building it, hit that like button and let's dive in. January is not just the start of a new year, it's your reset button. Before you make new goals, pause and reflect. Look back at 2025. Where did your money go? Did you save? Did you overspend? Did debt hold you back? Write it all down. Then set 3 clear financial goals for 2026. And here's the secret, be specific. Don't just say, I want to save more. Say, I want to save 500,000 Naira or $5,000 by December. Specific goals create focus, and focus creates results. By February, it's time to build a cushion. Life will throw surprises at you. A medical bill, a car repair, a salary delay, and if you're not prepared, it can wipe you out. That's why you need an emergency fund. Start with just 1 month of expenses. Open a separate account and automate small weekly transfers. Even if it's the price of coffee, it adds up. An emergency fund is not about the amount, it's about the peace of mind it gives you. If you want to understand more about how to build an emergency fund, the link to the video is in the description box. In March, let's tackle one of the biggest wealth killers, debt. And not all debt, specifically expensive debt like credit cards or high interest loans. Write down every debt you owe, from smallest to largest, with interest rates beside them. Then use the avalanche method. Focus on the highest interest first while paying minimums on the rest. Clearing just one debt will boost your confidence. Remember, debt is a thief. Every naira or dollar you give to interest could have been growing in your investments. Take your money back. April is income month. Cutting expenses is good, but there's only so much you can cut. There is no limit to how much you can earn. Could you freelance online, start a side hustle, or monetize a skill? Could you finally pitch that raise at work? Even an extra $200 or 20,000 Naira a month invested consistently can change your future. Don't just budget what you have, increase what you bring in. Multiple income streams are the new safety net. May is when you start or scale your investments. And here's the key. Consistency beats amount. Don't wait for the perfect moment to invest. That's how people waste years. Instead, start with what you can, even if it's small. Look into mutual funds, index funds, or safe investment vehicles available where you live, and use dollar or naira cost averaging, putting in the same amount every month, whether the market is up or down. Over time, this builds wealth quietly in the background. June is half time. Don't wait until December to realize you drifted off course. Take one weekend to review your goals. Are you still saving? Have you reduced debt? Did unexpected expenses throw you off? Adjust your budget and get back on track. The truth is, Financial success isn't about being perfect. It's about checking in and course correcting before things spiral. July is protection month. What good is building wealth if one accident wipes it out? Review your insurance, health, life, or business. Update your online security, and if you have dependents, start simple estate planning. Even a basic will is better than nothing. Protection is the shield around your financial castle. In August, think long term. Retirement feels far away until it isn't. The earlier you start, the less you need to put in later. Even if it's just a small monthly contribution, your future self will thank you. Imagine being 60 and still financially free, not stressed. That starts now in 2026 with consistent action. September is about financial independence. Add a second or third stream of income. Maybe that's an online business, rental income, or digital products. Think, if your main job ended tomorrow, how would you survive? Multiple income streams give you stability and eventually freedom. October is your reality check. Net worth is the real scorecard. Assets minus liabilities. It doesn't matter how much you earn. If you owe more than you own, you're not moving forward. Track it yearly. Your mission is simple: shrink liabilities, grow assets. Over time, that's what creates wealth. Ever since I started doing this, it has helped me put my finances in perspective and also see where needs more work and focus. And that is why I am sharing this checklist with you. In November, let's talk gratitude. Money has a purpose beyond bills and investments. Who can you help? Where can you give? Giving keeps money in perspective and brings joy that no number in a bank account can. Generosity is also a wealth principle. It opens doors and keeps your heart right as your bank account grows. I have a video on the power of generosity. The link is in the description. You can check it out. And finally, December is celebration month. Review your year, savings, debt, investments, income growth. Celebrate the progress, even if it's small. Progress is proof you're moving forward. Then, set 3 new goals for 2027. Remember, financial success is built layer by layer, year after year. It doesn't just happen with a snap of our fingers. We have to put in the work. So there you have it, the 12-month 2026 financial checklist. If you follow these steps month by month, you won't just survive this year, you'll thrive. To help you stay consistent, I've created a free downloadable checklist you can grab right now. The link is in the description. Share with us in the comment section how you manage your money so we can all learn together. I'll be waiting to read your comments. Also, this checklist isn't time bound. It can be used in any year and you will still see results. Thank you for watching. Until next time, remember, don't just wish for financial freedom. Plan for it, step into it, and live it. This is your year. Cheers.